Here in Puerto Rico, at the beach in Piñones, a bunch of people came together this morning to help clean the beach. I was assigned to the heavy-duty working party, picking up the bigger pieces. And I was over there putting up signs. I think I put up the better sign, even though it's crooked. It looks like I'm standing over here doing nothing, and I am standing here doing nothing. But do you see that sign? I just put up that sign, so everybody that comes here and sees it, they see it because of me.